How to get a loan for your manufacturing business. Opening a manufacturing or light industrial business means managing constant costs. Raw materials, equipment maintenance, and production upgrades don't wait for slow bank loans. Missing out on a big order because of funding delays can cost more than just revenue. It can cost relationships. Now, our team acts as independent brokers connecting small businesses with flexible funding options. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we work with them because they've consistently secured competitive offers with exceptional speed. David Allen Capital works with multiple lenders to tailor the best funding solution for your needs. Many businesses are approved the same day and see funds in their accounts within 24 to 48 hours. Now, that fast turnaround helps keep production schedules running without interruption. And here's a standout benefit. DAC offers a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender can beat their offer, they'll match it or pay you $500. They've never had to follow through on that payment because their offers remain highly competitive. If you've been in business at least 6 months, have steady monthly revenue, and your bank statements are in order, you may qualify, even with average credit. So if you're ready to upgrade equipment, expand your operations, or fulfill large orders without delays, click on the link in the description below, watch the founder's message, and apply now to potentially receive funding in as little as 1 to 2 business days. Good luck!